Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage your study abroad budget with Mint, full guide step by step clearly. To manage your study abroad budget using Mint, start by creating a Mint account if you haven't done so already. Visit the Mint website or download the app from your device's app store. Follow the prompts to sign up using your email address or Google account. Once your account is created, link your bank account and any other financial accounts you wish to track. Mint will automatically import your transactions and categorize them. Now, set a specific budget for your study abroad expenses. Consider categories like housing, food, transportation, and entertainment. Go to the budgeting section in the Mint dashboard. Select Add a budget and input the amount you plan to spend in each category. Save your budget and review it regularly, comparing your spending against your set limits. As you spend money, make sure to categorize your transactions within Mint. This helps you keep track of where your money is going. If you notice you're overspending in a category, adjust your budget as necessary. Set up alerts in Mint to notify you when you're nearing your budget limits. These alerts will help you stay on track and avoid unnecessary expenses. Utilize Mint's reporting features to analyze your spending trends. Both monthly and weekly reports can provide insights into your financial habits. Consider creating savings goals for specific expenses, like travel or emergency funds. Mint allows you to set these goals easily and monitor your progress. Be sure to review your budget regularly, especially as your study abroad experience evolves. Stay proactive in managing your finances to ensure a stress-free experience abroad. With these steps, you'll be well on your way to successfully managing your study abroad budget with Mint. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.